Ready to supercharge your AI workflows with seamless integration? First, log into your Make AI account, then select your project and within the project dashboard, locate the Integrations or Webhooks section. This might be found under Settings or a similar configuration panel. Look for an option to create webhook or something similar. You'll typically be prompted to select a service or application. In this case, you will need to add Vapi from a provided list. Next, you'll be directed to configure your Vapi webhook. You'll need to specify important details: the trigger event, which is the action that instigates the webhook, such as a specific data event in Make AI. Now, you will need the Webhook URL. This is the endpoint where Vapi will send data. To get this, you'll need to go to your Vapi account. In Vapi, go to your project and navigate to the section where you configure webhooks. Here, generate or create your dedicated webhook URL. Copy this URL. Return to the Make AI configuration. Paste the copied Vapi URL in the appropriate field. Provide any other necessary details that might be applicable to your particular integration. Finally, you may need to test the webhook to make sure it is sending data correctly. Save your webhook configurations in Make AI, then go back to Vapi and test your webhook with a sample event that corresponds to the actions you expect to automatically occur in Make AI. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Vapi webhook for Make AI, enabling real-time data synchronization and automation. Now go out there and streamline your workflows.